This video is for educational purposes only. If you are filing, if you've been injured at work and you're filing a claim to collect benefits for your injuries, there's a couple of things that you definitely want to be made aware of that will help you in the proceedings. The first thing is you want to make sure that your claim, there's nothing false about your claim. You don't want to falsify anything. You want to make sure the injuries that you say you received, that they are, you want to back them up with the data, with the doctor, with statements. You want to make sure that those things are correct and they're not falsified. Because your company's insurance company, what they can do is they can hire surveillance or a private investigator to follow you around to see possibly that if your injuries are what you say they are. So you want to be made aware of that. Make sure we're keeping on the up and up with that. Second, you want to keep detailed records. Make sure dates, times, when your injury occurred, your reportings, your doctor's visits, time that you had to take off of work, possibly time that you were not paid. You want to keep a detailed record of everything in this so that if you ever have to go to in front of them, or if you have to go to court, you want to have detailed records of that with so also you can give to your attorney. 8, if you were denied benefits, you want to appeal. You can appeal the benefits. You can appeal your denial of it. So if you weren't considered for the benefits for whatever the reason, you want to appeal it. See if you can have those benefits overturned. And the last thing is we want to, any of your legal scheduled proceedings and appointments, you want to make sure that you go to all of them. Don't miss them. And if you have to miss them, make sure you go through the right channels to ensure that, number one, you get a dismissal or an excuse for that appointment time. And also, you don't want that to affect your benefits. So make sure you go to all of the hearings and proceedings so that your benefits will be maximized and you will get the benefits that are due to you. Again, this video is for educational purposes only.